Hey, welcome back to the shop. Today we have a bit of a challenge. The challenge is I have this slab here that cracked, and while it was drying, it cracked almost all the way. So I just finished it off, and the challenge is can I turn this into $500 or more. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so those two pieces were 58 inches long, so I divided them into 14, 4 or 14 inch from each one, so I got 8, except for the end piece that is a little longer. And now we're gonna split them in half because they don't need to be this thick. Now I don't have a flat bottom, so I gotta keep this against the fence. It's a 1412 Laguna with a resaw king. This is a carbide blade, and let's give this a try. That works well. Some of them, it depends how I hold them, I guess. This is slightly thicker in this end, but they're gonna run through the planer and get sanded. This particular one had a bit of a, I still have enough thickness. This one divided beautifully. So yeah, gonna do this once, and we'll make some cutting boards. I figured if I get 16 cutting boards and they sold for, let's say, $40, and that would be $40 Canadian, which is probably $1.50 US. Anyways, yeah, that will come up to $640, so I think it's doable, and I can get a client because I bought a laser picker 2, which I haven't unboxed yet, which I will do a video on that, and we'll do a review. But I can get one of my clients to buy them all and put their logo and branding on it, and probably have a better value. But let's see what comes out of it. Well, this is quickly becoming a short video. So I got my 16 pieces, and yeah, I did some craft with some cardboard box to make a shape of a handle, which is this here. I grabbed the smallest piece and I made a sample. And yeah, I took a picture, and I texted to a couple people, and a real estate agent wind up buying all 16 of them. They're gonna get engraved with their logo or my laser engraver, and I believe they're gonna be handing out as a housewarming gift. But yeah, 16 times 70 is $1,120. So there you go. End of challenge. Now we have this one here. I'm really upset about this one because I mean it has a pith, but like I had it since the moment it came out of the mill. It came here and it was sandwiched between other pieces of wood, and yeah, so this I'm gonna make into this is only just slightly less than an inch thick, and this is probably about 5.5. So I'm gonna make some small ones. This ones I'm not gonna. I either gonna give them away or sell them online for a small price. But anyways, take it easy. Ciao, ciao.